go Team 316, the nice ladder, but look what's on top of it. Some cute baby bird. Look at this. Oh my God, huh? They got like, oh wow, there's like a couple of them, 4 here. Anyway, they're hungry. Probably wait for the mother to feed them. See, mother's not around. Like, there's about 4 to 6 in there. Yeah, it's pretty cute, guys, eh? So I'm gonna put a small video about that. Yes, and I don't know this one if it's yeah, I think the mother was trying to fix a second one for a second batch. We're not gonna really move it. It's under the gallery in the back, and yeah, we're probably just gonna leave it there. Now nobody can play around. Like, yeah, let me know in the comment what you think. Yeah, it's pretty cute. They close like that. This so cute. I don't want to touch them because I don't want to have my scents on them when the mother doesn't kill them, whatever like that. But yeah, should see the mother soon. Really cute. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and let me know how you like these baby birdies. You have a great day. Don't forget to support Team 316. Oh hell yeah.